performing a backflip. Burn the devil, cause him to turn into ashes. With the wrath of a woman combined with raw courage. Clash with the titans assigned to cause ruckus, and you're quick to flee out the door, feeling giddy when I'm bold and ready, holding swords and machetes, yo.